Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best construction mechanical pencil is probably one of the most indispensable tools for any construction professional. In this video, we'll explore the top construction mechanical pencils on the market, examining their features, performance, and value. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a DIY enthusiast, join us as we find the perfect pencil to meet your needs, ensuring precision and reliability in every project. Number 5. Pica-Dry Longlife Automatic Pencil 3030. This pencil is designed with the user in mind. It is easy to use and provides a comfortable writing experience. You will love it. This is the Pica-Dry Longlife Automatic Pencil 3030. It is a great tool for anyone who needs a reliable and durable pencil. It is perfect for a variety of tasks. This pencil is a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable and durable writing tool. It is easy to use and provides a comfortable writing experience. You will be happy with it. This is the Pica-Dry Longlife Automatic Pencil 3030. It is designed to be easy to use and provide a comfortable writing experience. It is a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable and durable pencil. This pencil is designed with the user in mind. It is easy to use and provides a comfortable writing experience. You will be happy with it. What we like. This pencil is designed with the user in mind, ensuring a comfortable and efficient experience. Its durable construction means it can withstand the rigors of the job site. If you value a tool that prioritizes ease of use and longevity, you should consider this one. What people say. Best workshop pencil I have owned. Love the sharpener in the cover. Great design allows for the accurate marking of surfaces through drill holes of 2+ inches. Its thick lead, 2.8 mm, makes it less liable to break and more suitable for marking rough surfaces. However, its built-in lead sharpener allows you to maintain a sharp point for precise marking on smooth surfaces. Its cleverly designed clip means it will never accidentally fall out of your pocket. Its bright green color makes it stand out on a workbench. Its body feels nice and thick in your hand, and of course it is German engineered, making it a quality tool. This pen has been an invaluable asset to me as a commercial carpenter. It's not stupid to invest in yourself if it increases efficiency, and that's exactly what this pencil offers. So far it's lasted over a full year through every season of the harsh Canadian weather and still on the same box of lead. Number 4. THORVALD 2-in-1 Carpenter Pencils. Having trouble marking on different surfaces? This pencil makes it easy. The yellow leads are perfect for dark surfaces and stronger than dry leads. It's the ideal tool for various trades. This professional pencil is solid, precise, and practical. The orange color makes it easy to find. Its fine point allows it to trace in any hole, even small ones. It's so practical that you won't lose it since it attaches directly to your pocket. The lead sharpener is built in, so the lead will always be sharp for precision work. Thanks to the new finger grip, writing is much easier. The grip is also removable. With this 3-in-1 pencil, you'll always have the right tool at hand. Need to get a lot done? Don't worry, a box of 6 leads is included, for a total of 7. You'll receive gray and yellow leads. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. We make quality tools. Enjoy the quality without any risk with our 30-day money-back policy. Get ready for big jobs. What we like. This pencil can write on wood, metal, concrete, and tiles, making it incredibly versatile. It also features a built-in sharpener for convenience. If you're looking for a construction pencil that can handle any surface and provide maximum comfort, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. No sharpening needed, just a click of the button and you're good to go. The lines are not super dark, but dark enough, and the leads are very strong. If you want a really, really fine line for precise measurements, the sharpener creates just that, a really, really fine point on the lead. Number 3. Nicpro Carpenter Pencil Set with Sharpener. This set includes 2 solid Carpenter pencils, 26 refills, a replaceable sharpener, and a storage box. This complete combination allows you to finish your work faster and more easily. The pencil features a 45 mm elongated tip, perfect for marking in small holes or tight spaces. This design makes it more convenient than other markers. The sharpener is securely attached to the pencil, so it won't get lost. It keeps the lead pointed and smooth, improving your line of sight for fine work. The pencil uses a 2.8 mm thick lead, which is much stronger during construction work. It's designed to resist breaking and damage. The pencil can mark on metal, plastic, wood, and paper. It's ideal for woodworkers, contractors, craftsmen, builders, merchants, and masons. What we like. This set includes a deep hole marker, perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. It comes with a complete set of refills and a sharpener. If you need a reliable and comprehensive marking solution for construction, this set is the way to go. What people say. The mechanical pencils are solid, easy to grip, even with gloves, and don't slip during marking. The lead is strong and leaves clean, visible lines on wood, drywall, and even concrete. The lead is thick and durable, no breaking at the sight of wood grain. Number 2. Hiboom Carpenter Pencil with Refills. This deep-hole Carpenter pencil is designed with an extended tip, perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. It allows you to mark through holes and in tight spaces with ease. The package includes the pencils pre-filled with refills, and extra refill boxes. This ensures you have everything you need for long-term use, saving you time and effort. Each pencil features a built-in sharpener, so you can always maintain a fine point. The sharpener is securely attached, so you won't lose it, ensuring precise markings every time. The mechanical design prevents slipping and reduces hand fatigue. The pen clip allows you to easily attach it to your pocket, making it convenient and less likely to be misplaced. It's an ideal tool for construction and bricklaying. This pencil can mark on metal, wood, plastic, glass, and paper. The refills come in 2 colors, allowing you to distinguish between different markings, even on dark surfaces. What we like. This pencil features a deep hole marker design, perfect for reaching tight spaces. It also includes a built-in sharpener for convenience. If you like a versatile and easy-to-use marking tool, this is the one for you. What people say. These pencils work very well, and they give a nice precise line. The lead stays sharp from multiple lines, even though I have always been a person who puts a lot of pressure on pens and pencils when I write. Even on wet surface I was able to use them. I only used 2 refills of each color to complete the job and I still have plenty of the second refill. Number 1. WSD Magnetic Control Mechanical Pencil, CNC machined. This WSD mechanical pencil is meticulously CNC machined. It's designed for precision and durability, making it a reliable tool for any task. Crafted from aviation aluminum, the pencil offers a comfortable and textured feel. The metallic body gives it a premium look and feel. The unique sliding mechanism uses magnets to control the lead length. This innovative design sets it apart from traditional pencils. It uses universal 2.0 mm leads, including black and colored options. This versatility makes it perfect for design, drawing, and writing. With its sleek lines, this pencil is designed to inspire creativity. It's a perfect tool for artists and designers alike. Choose from gold, black, silver, rose, or pink. This light and portable pencil is a stylish addition to any collection. What we like. This pencil uses a unique magnetic control system for precise lead extension. It's also CNC machined for durability and comes in a variety of stylish colors. If you are looking for a pencil that combines innovative design with a premium feel, you should consider it. What people say. The pencil works great. It is easy to use, very intuitive, and seems durable with a nice weight and feel when drawing. The magnetic feature, while at first novel, actually works great and the ring does not get in the way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.